What's up, Kavari crew? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to achieve this look. This look is everything and more. This has been my go-to makeup look lately for an everyday look or even a glam going out look. The only difference is I'll probably pop on some lashes if this is like a nighttime look, but I've been so obsessed with this makeup look. It's so glowy and healthy looking, and it just enhances your natural beauty. And I also show you guys how I got this beautiful body glow. So if you're new to my channel, hello, welcome. I'd love for you to hit that subscribe button down below, and also don't forget to click that little bell icon so you can turn on notifications so you'll be notified whenever I upload on this channel. So yeah, let's just get into today's video. I'm gonna be starting out this glowy dewy look by applying some body oil. Now I love applying body makeup. We spend so much time beating our face doing this glowy dewy look, and then if you just leave your body like completely bare, especially if you're wearing a top like this or a low cut shirt, it just looks incomplete to me. So I always like to apply a little something something to my body. So this is the product I use. This is the Sol de Janeiro Copacabana, I can't pronounce it that well, Copacabana Bronze Glow Oil, and I am obsessed with this stuff. I'm literally almost out of this bottle. I'm glad I have the tiniest bit left to show you guys what it looks like on, but I have been obsessed with this product all summer long. Even if you don't have a tan, this just adds some color to your body and it gives you a nice beautiful shimmer. It's not a chunky shimmer, it's very fine milled, so it just looks really good on, and especially with flash photography, like girl, you're gonna look so good. Oh my gosh, it literally just smells like summer in a bottle. A little goes a long way, so don't use too much, and then you just rub it on. And it does not transfer to clothes, and it's not sticky. That's a big thing with me for body products. I hate feeling sticky and all that stuff. I love the way this makes my skin look, like especially in pictures, it just looks incredible. And you know, when you feel good in your skin, you just exude like so much more confidence. The ingredients are also super duper hydrating, so you're literally getting so many benefits from this oil. Like it's giving you a nice glow, it's moisturizing, it gives you a shimmer. Like this is like my secret weapon. So I just went ahead and washed my hands, and look at how good our body is looking. She is tan, she is glowy, healthy, it looks so good. If you compare it to how I looked before I applied this, like I was more pale, it wasn't very luminous. This oil is the secret. I think everybody needs to have this in their makeup collection, in their body care collection. We definitely need to take care of our bodies just as good as we take care of our faces, so I really recommend you check this one out. I'll put a link to it down below. I already applied my moisturizer after I washed my face this morning, so now I'm just gonna move on to primer, and this primer has been like my go-to primer for glowy looks. It's kind of like the primer version of MAC Strobe Cream. It looks just like MAC Strobe Cream. So this is the Laura Mercier Foundation Primer in Radiance. So you can apply this just on the high points of your cheeks if you want, but I'm just gonna go ahead and slap it all over. For my foundation today, this has been one of my new favorites. This is the Bobbi Brown Skin Longwear Weightless Foundation, and this has an SPF of 15. Now I always apply SPF when I apply my moisturizer, so I've already done that, and I'm gonna link down below the SPF that I use, and I'm in the shade 4.5 Warm Natural. So I'm gonna apply a few pumps. This foundation is I would say it's like a medium coverage. Definitely not full coverage. Like I do like to put like 2 layers of this on to give me a good coverage, but this is like the ultimate skin like foundation. Like if you're looking for a foundation that looks like your skin but better, this is the one. Whenever I finish applying my foundation, I always like to take a baby wipe and just clean up around my hairline because I get so much foundation in my hairline. For concealer, I'm gonna be grabbing my Tarte Shape Tape concealer, and this is in the shade Light Medium Honey. I haven't used Tarte Shape Tape in forever, and I just went to Tarte's Shape Tape event last night because they expanded their shade range, and I picked up another one, and this one is in the shade Light Medium Honey. I love this fat wand. That's why I like this one too, this Too Faced Born This Way, because the wands are like this, like really thick, like me. Just kidding. Going in with some cream contour. I have not used this product in such a long time. This is the Fenty Beauty Matchstick in the shade Mocha. Going to apply a little bit. I'm still gonna go in with a powder contour, so I'm not gonna do the most. Wait, no, I'm not about to use this. This is dried the out. I'm gonna set my under eyes and face with the Laura Mercier translucent powder. Laura Mercier just came out with a glow version of their translucent powders, and they are so amazing. Like, the glitter is very, very fine. It just gives you like a little like sheen, and it's perfect for if you're like me and you don't like the whole intense highlighter trend. You don't want it to look like you just have a stripe on your face. Like, it's very, very subtle. At the launch party, Makeup by Mario did a little demonstration on how to use it. And he said, do not bake your eyes with the glow one. I think this one right here is the glow one. First one to set your face with the normal translucent powder, and then go in with the glow one and apply it to the high points of your cheeks or all over, like wherever you want. While my face bakes, I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows. So I'm taking a little makeup wipe and just cleaning up any like excess makeup. First, I'm gonna start out by brushing my eyebrow hair upwards. So I'm gonna take this, see, this is as much as I have left, which is really annoying because I wish I had a little bit more so I can get it more precise. But I'm just going to line the bottom. I had to switch over from my ABH pencil to my Benefit Precisely My Brow because this one was just way too short, so it was just going all over the place and it wasn't precise enough. After I'm done penciling them in, I just brush them upwards one more time, and then I go in and carve them with some concealer. And the concealer I love using for underneath my brows. This is the NARS Soft Matte Concealer in the shade Custard. This stuff is amazing. I just take it on a little flat brush. To set my brows and give them some more texture, I'm going to go in with my Glossier Boy Brow. Now, I love this stuff. Even if I'm not wearing makeup, I still like to comb this through my eyebrows, and I love using this when I want my eyebrows to still look really soft, because I feel like sometimes using ABH brow gel can just make your eyebrows look very stiff. I'm trying to make it a habit to put away my makeup after every step. So like after I use this concealer, to put it back, because it's so stressful when I'm done with my makeup. My entire countertop is just like a mess. Like, it's like a pile and it's super duper overwhelming. So I'm like trying to put away everything like as I go, and it's taking forever. So I'm just going to wipe away my bake. I honestly forget I have it on. Like one of these days I'm just gonna walk out the house with my under eye powder still on. Before I bronze, I'm gonna be taking that glow setting powder that I was telling y'all about. And I also got the new brush that Laura Mercier came out with. Like, look at this shape, guys. It's like, has this curve, which is really nice because you can really get like your cheekbone, your like jawline. It just fits the face really well. Like, at first when I saw it, I was like I don't really like that, but I really do love the way this looks. And I like to brush it on the back of my hand first so I don't put too much on. And then I'm going to apply it. You can just see that glow that it's giving me. It's super duper subtle. Like, I'm telling you guys, this product was made for me. Like, look at that. And it looks like skin. It doesn't look artificial. To bronze, I am grabbing my Urban Decay Beached Bronzer in the shade Bronze. Very creative name. And I'm just going to warm up the skin. I'm gonna grab this super cute highlighting palette from Glam Glow. I actually made a little Instagram video using this, and it is just so bomb. This middle shade is like everything and more. And this is another highlighter I like for a natural look because this is infused with hyaluronic acid, so it's like actually good for your skin. And I'm only applying the tiniest bit. Like, yeah, like there we go. Be good. Also gonna apply a little bit to my body as well. We don't need to apply that much since we applied the Sol de Janeiro oil, but I'm still going to give myself a little bit more glow. For blush, I'm gonna go in with this one right here. It's limited edition from Wet n Wild, and this is the Hummingbird Hype Blush. And this one is so pretty. Any like pink sheen, like coral blush will do for this, like NARS Orgasm or Milani Baked Blush and Luminoso, like all those will look really good for this look. We have a lot of powders on the skin right now, so I'm just gonna be taking some MAC Fix Plus. This one's in the coconut scent, just to bring some hydration back in. Then I'm going to grab this illuminating setting spray from Cover FX. This is the mini size. Now I had the full size one, and yesterday I used it and the nozzle got clogged. Like with illuminating setting sprays, you have to be careful because they do have a very, very fine shimmer in them. So the nozzle was really clogged and I didn't know. So I spray the side of my face and my face just like boom, like splash of glitter all over the side of my face. I was pissed, bro. So definitely you have to shake it up very, very well and look at the nozzle and make sure it's not clogged, because once it splatters on your face, like, it's game over. You gotta redo your makeup. So onto my eyes, I'm gonna keep it super duper simple. Only 2 shades are gonna be going on my eyes. So for my crease, I'm grabbing Saddle from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is a bronzer, and I really do love this specific shade for my crease. I'm gonna drag this shade underneath my lash line as well. For my lid lately, I've been using this new BH Cosmetics Desert Oasis Palette. Definitely get your hands on this palette. Like, look at how many shades you get. It's a eyeshadow and highlighter palette. This shade right here, Terrain, is the perfect shimmer shade. I just grab it on my ring finger and I just pat it all over my lid, and it's absolutely gorgeous. It makes your eyes pop. The camera is not doing this shade justice at all. Like, in person, it is absolutely stunning. And this is a shade I don't mind if it gets in my crease. Like, usually I don't like shimmers in my crease. But this one I like don't care. I think it just looks really pretty. So I'm grabbing this like little like black shade right here called Nightscape. And I take it on a little angled brush and I just apply it on the outer edge of my lash line just to add some depth before we apply lashes. I was gonna apply lashes, but I think I'm just gonna do mascara today because this look is just so natural and like glowy. It really just enhances your natural features. So I think I'm just gonna play up my eyelashes today. So I'm gonna be grabbing my Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. I love this mascara, especially the waterproof. I really do recommend you guys use waterproof mascara. Like, it holds the curls so much better. Wow, guys, look at the difference that made. Okay, look. Like, this mascara, there's a reason it's called Lash Sensational, because it deadass is sensational. Like, my lashes look bomb. Oh my gosh. Although I'm not wearing lashes, I'm still going to tightline with my Marc Jacobs pencil. I never ever skip this, you guys. This is so important. Especially if you're not wearing lashes, it just makes your lash line a lot more fuller and darker. I'm gonna grab brown mascara for my bottom lashes just so it looks a little bit more natural. I'm gonna pop a little bit more highlighter on my brow bone and my inner corner. We're almost done with this look. I just gotta do lips. So I'm going to be lining my lips with my favorite lip liner. I use this for every nude color. This is Nude Truffle by NYX. It's like the perfect like brown tinted neutral lip liner. My lip color for today is going to be the Patrick Star. I'm not sure which collection this is. This is from the summer collection. This gloss is in the shade Cream Pie. It's a lip gloss. And this color, you guys, is so pretty. Like, oh, look at that. It is such a beautiful pinky nude. All right, you guys, that is it for today's makeup. I really hope you guys enjoyed. This is honestly one of my favorite looks to do. Like, whenever I have this makeup on, like glowy skin, nude lips, like, this is when I feel the most beautiful. So this has been my go-to look, and I really hope you guys enjoyed. Again, all products will be linked down below for you guys, as always. And don't forget to check out this body oil, you guys. You will not regret it. You can get it at Sephora, and I'll also link it down below. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you again for my next video. Bye, everyone.